Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to do a small experiment with this stuff. It's Quick-Glo, bought it on Amazon. I will drop a link in the video description below. I have a motorcycle in front of me. It's been sitting outside for a very long time before I purchased it. So it has multiple areas of rust. We're gonna test that stuff out, see if it cleans up rust or not. So instructions say apply about a dime worth of this stuff and then just start to kind of swirl. And in theory, oh guys, look at that, magic! No way! I literally did not expect that. Wow. Guys, check that out. No freaking rust. No way. Okay, let's do these, since these are like also very, very obvious. No way. It said for like severe cases, you might need multiple applications. And honestly, guys, I thought I had severe cases, but holy moly. You guys are living proof that this stuff works. And we'll just go with the dry end. Look at that, already so much better. And basically spaces or places like this, you could use a toothbrush and I'm sure it will come out. Again, a little bit of rust right there. And look at that. Okay, Quick-Glo. We clearly have rust right here, as you guys can see that. And now watch. Just applying a little bit. Let's see how well it does with this one. Okay, let me wipe that down. Okay, look at the difference. Cleaned up, not cleaned up. Huge, huge difference. But you know, there's a few spots like this, that will probably require a second application. But this stuff works. That's clear rust. Look at that. Looks so much better. Sure, there's a few pitted in there, but dang. Well guys, like I said, it's going to be a quick video. And as you saw, to my surprise, my genuine surprise, it cleans off rust. This stuff works. And it's not very expensive. So if you have rust, motorcycle, outdoor toys, whatever, give this stuff a try. You saw it work with your own eyes. I'm surprised, but thumbs up to this stuff. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys in another video.